In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic discount in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean, working discount code that your customers can use at checkout. Start in your Shopify admin and open the Discounts section from the left-hand menu. This is your control center for all codes and automatic discounts. Next, select Create Discount and choose the Amount Off Products option. This discount type reduces the price of selected products either by a percentage or a fixed dollar amount, which is perfect for simple promos. At the top, set your discount code. You can generate a random code or type your own. If you create one, make it short, clear, and easy to share, something like Summer 10. Avoid special characters and keep it consistent with your brand. Now set the discount value. Choose whether the value is a percentage or a fixed amount. A percentage works well when product prices vary widely, while a fixed amount is great for a steady, flat reduction. For example, if you pick percentage, enter the number you want, say 10 for 10% off. Keep the value realistic so you protect your margins while still making the offer appealing. Under Applies To, decide where the discount works. You can target specific collections or specific products. Here we'll apply it to specific products. Click Browse to open your product list. Select the items you want included in the offer, and then click Add to confirm your selection. Take a moment to double-check that only the intended products are included. Next, set your minimum purchase requirements. You can choose no minimum, require a minimum purchase amount, or require a minimum quantity of items. If you want to encourage larger carts, a minimum amount, like a certain dollar threshold, can be effective. If your goal is to move inventory, a minimum quantity might make more sense. Then configure maximum discount uses. You can limit the total number of times the discount can be used overall, which is helpful for limited promotions, or restrict it to one use per customer to prevent repeated redemptions. Pick whichever best fits your campaign. Set your active dates by choosing the start and, if needed, the end date. Scheduling ahead is great for launches and seasonal promos. Be mindful of your store's time zone so the discount activates and expires exactly when you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. Your basic product discount is now live according to the schedule you set and ready to share with customers in your marketing channels.